I'm super excited to announce the first release of a true AI feature on the Castor platform that was made possible through our partnership with Microsoft, Microsoft Azure specifically, and their implementation of the OpenAI large language models. I think we have the opportunity to make clinical trials worldwide 20% more efficient. And I think that in itself is something to be very excited about. But if I'm being truly honest, I think what excites me most is the opportunity to really reduce the burden for patients, for site staff, for all the people that are running day-to-day trial activities, because I think that's one of the things that is most broken right now about the clinical trial process. I think our approach is unique because we're actually bringing features to the market that are used by the people running the trial. Right? So we're not developing a capability that you run in a dark corner against a data set where you have one or two people kind of interacting with it. No, we are bringing features to the market that will be used by literally everyone who's involved in the trial on a day-to-day basis. And I think that's the hard thing to do with AI, but it's also, I think, the most exciting thing, and a thing that directly improves the day-to-day workflows for everyone involved. So I think that's a pretty unique approach that I haven't seen elsewhere, and we're pushing very hard to bring AI into that day-to-day life of every stakeholder in the clinical trial process. Yeah, so the first feature we are releasing is a feature that helps our users build their studies faster. And so we are allowing them to use free text to generate parts of their study, to simplify the more complex tasks of the study build process. And I think that right now for some of these activities, we've brought down the time that it takes to do them to about 15% of what it would take to do it manually. And so that's a huge improvement. And that's time that these users get back to spend on the rest of the clinical trial process or on the patients they interact with. I think for the most part, what it's doing, it's removing the repetitive work that they would normally be doing. And so that's time that they get back and that they can spend with clinical trial participants, that they can spend with their patients. And I think that's really the promise of AI, to reduce repetitive, slow work and to allow humans to focus on what makes them human.